Number 73 out of 1.5. So this one has an inequality that's got like kind of pieces on both sides, and I just need to peel away the layers and make sure that what I do to one side, well, what I do to one of the three parts, I do to each of the other three parts. So this one really only has three layers around it, the divide by 4, the minus 1, and the times 2. And I'm going to take care of them in that order. First thing I'm going to do is multiply all three pieces by 4. That gives me a negative 12. The 4 cancels with the 4 in the bottom. That's what I want it to do. So I get 2x minus 1. And then 4 times 0 is just 0. Now I add 1 to both sides. That gives me negative 11. Careful with your negatives and adding and stuff like that. Less than 2x less than 1. Now I divide by 2, and I get negative 11 over 2 less than x less than 1 over 2. Now I'm just going to put in parentheses, this is negative 5.5, and this is 0.5. I don't know, it depends on you. You might find that it's easier to use decimals for the number lines. In this case, I kind of think it is. So it says that we need to graph it and write it using interval notation. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to put negative 5.5 is smaller, so I'm going to go negative 5.5. Then I'm going to put 0.5 there. Since I have a less than sign and a less than sign as opposed to a less than or equal to sign, put an open circle and an open circle, and then it's between them, like bigger than negative 5.5, the bigger than, and less than that, so I fill in like that. Now to do interval notation, well, I go from negative 5.5 to 0.5, and I do not include the ends, so I use parentheses. If I had a closed circle as a result of a less than or equal to sign, I would use a bracket. So that's our answer right there. Well, I guess it also includes this.